Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to Lipstick and Curls World. I'm Jade, and this video is all about how I achieved this hair, these passion twists. I actually did a couple different techniques to achieve this style because my hair is pretty soft. I do have naturally curly hair, as you guys can see here, and many of you who are my OG followers and my loves who have been around for a minute, you know what my hair looks like on a day-to-day basis. So one of the challenges with my texture is that sometimes when you want to do twists or certain protective styles, like the protective styles don't last as long or they slip out very easily. And I had this struggle kind of going into this style, or anticipated that struggle with this style. So I wanted to go ahead and figure out a way to make this look work for me while also being easy on myself, because many of you know, if you don't, I am pregnant. I'm 32 weeks, so I did not have a lot of energy or just time in general to get this hair fixed and done. I wanted to definitely do this video for you guys before I got into like real baby mode. So I figured out a way to do this hair. So definitely stay tuned to this video. It is going to be a little lengthy only because I asked y'all on Instagram if you would want a short version or a longer kind of talk through version of this video. And most of you said long talk through just because it is a newer style. I know that a couple people sent me the girl that actually originated the idea of passion twist or this style. I don't know how accurate that is, but I definitely will put her link down below, as well as a couple videos that I watched prior to actually doing my hair, because half the battle with passion twist is that I think there's multiple iterations of it. I think that there are some that have a little bit more loose hair in them, that are more kind of dreadlock and wavy hair kind of mixed, or faux locks. Or they're more in a twisted style, like senegalese twist with a little bit of extra oomph. I would say these are definitely more along the lines of how I do my senegalese twist, but using different hair. And Havana twist. This style, as it came out, kind of reminded me of Havana twist, especially because of the type of hair that I use. So a lot of people asked me about the type of hair that I use, so let's go ahead and start there. The type of hair that I used is the Janet Collection Passion Twist hair. I'm wearing the colors 1B and then T27 and then T30, I think, is the other two colors that I kind of just like mixed in here just for like some, you know, life to kind of switch it up and give me some variety. But I use this passion twist hair that was already twisted. This is crochet hair, so essentially you could do this style crochet, like the traditional crochet way, where you braid your hair up and then you just use the crochet needle to, you know, put the hair in. I chose to go a different route because initially I was kind of going back and forth because I've never done crochet before, and I realized that because I have so much hair, I didn't think that I would be successful at being able to hide the bulkiness of my hair on top of keeping the style really slick and clean. So I decided to go the individual crochet route, which still didn't kind of work for me because I cannot, that needle is, you kind of got to get used to it. And I also feel like the needles that I got were flimsy and cheap, so they were not, it wasn't working for me. So this technique that I'm doing is basically the rubber band method when you're doing like box braids or twists and crochet, using crochet hair essentially. So this hair has my hair within it. So initially, whenever you do traditional crochet, none of your hair is left out. And sometimes you can do like a few individuals around the perimeter and then braid up the kind of inside of your hair to kind of save time. So definitely, if you want to save time with this style, do that, because the hair itself is really nice, soft, and already twisted. So a lot of people use the free Tress wave, body wave or ocean wave hair, and you have to literally like pull the hair apart, put it together through each piece, and that just alone takes a lot of time. If you've ever done your own braids or twists before, you understand that sectioning and making sure that each braid or each twist is the same size is very difficult and it takes a lot of extra time. So one of the great benefits of using this crochet hair was that it was already pre-twisted and it's very easy to unwind it. And so you'll see how I do my hair, that I actually unwind the hair and then retwist my hair within the hair to hide my own hair within the twist. So literally all of these are individuals all the way around. And so again, using the crochet hair made it easier on me, on top of just saving a lot of time, because I didn't have to section out each piece. Every twist was already done and I would just unravel it. So I really like this hair. Let me tell you right now, it is very hard to find this hair online, okay? I had to like dig and dig and dig because most websites are sold out of this hair. I will put the link down below. Granted, depending on how many people watch this video and how many people make orders, there may or may not be hair available on this site still, but this is the site where I purchased this hair. I think it was like $6.99 a pack. I used about 4 to 5 packs for my whole head, given that I bought 4 packs of the 1B and then I bought a pack of the T27 and a pack of the 1030. Clearly I didn't use those full packs. I only used a few of those, but pretty much I was able to achieve this style with 4 packs. If you want to be safe, get 5 or 6. Again, I have a lot of hair and I got a big ass head, so I use a lot of hair anytime I do a protective style. So if you have a smaller head or you have thinner hair, you may be able to get away with less than that. And again, the hair is really lightweight, so I don't feel like I have a lot of hair on my head, even though it looks very full. And I tried to keep it as, not thin, but I didn't want it to be super bulky, because sometimes with crochet hair, it can get bulky. But I felt like with this hair, I kind of got to a happy medium. So I'm happy with the way that this turned out. I've gotten a lot of compliments and things on this hair. This process was very easy for me. It took me a total of about 6 hours if I put all the time together. Like I said, I am pregnant, so I took about 3 days to complete my hair, only because I was doing it in like 3 to 4 hour increments. And then I also started with my hair already blown out. You're not going to see that in this video because I'm only showing you like how to actually do the braid. I'm not doing like a start to finish thing, because like ain't nobody got time to film that whole thing. Y'all know what blown out hair looks like, and y'all know what a fully completed look looks like. So you know what I mean? So anyway, so I'm only showing you exactly how to do the twist, and then you basically repeat that process all over your head. Pretty simple. I always do the center back of my head last, because yes, it is very difficult and you kind of have to be blind with it because you don't have eyes behind your head. That's just, you know, the reality of the situation. So the back of my head isn't as pretty, but with this style, it doesn't have to be perfect. Honestly, in my opinion, when I do styles like this that are more boho kind of vibe, you can get away with it being not as perfect, as long as your twists are nice and like uniform like this. And that's one thing. This hair was really nice because it was pre-twisted, so when I retwisted it again, it twisted back up really easy. I didn't have to put any rubber bands on the ends. I didn't even have to seal the ends. You know what I mean? Like I didn't. I just naturally followed what the twist already was and then just put my own hair in there. I didn't spend a lot of time pulling apart, because if you pull this hair apart, it will start to frizz up on you and you can't really put it back together into a defined twist or defined curl on the end. So literally the reason why all my curls on the bottom are still like this is because I just like pulled it apart really gently and then twisted it back up and I was good to go, literally. So I think that is all I have to say as far as this hairstyle goes. Definitely ask questions down below. If I forgot anything, I will do my best to put any extra information that I can't think of right now in the description box. But it's pretty self-explanatory. I've given you guys all the information as far as the products, the hair, and the process. And let me know if you guys are trying out this style. Tag me. Please tag the Janet collection, because I feel like it's a newer collection of hair that this is, and it's not widely available. So tell them to get it more widely available, because I really do personally like this hair a lot, and I could see myself doing this style again. So yeah, let me know if you want a follow-up video to this video on how I take care of this style, how long it lasts, all that. I would love to answer those questions as I, wear the style out. So let me know if you want me to do a whole video about it, or we can just chat about it here in the comments or on IG or wherever. But yes, enjoy the rest of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all, and I will see you at the end of this video. So since I've already blown out my hair, I'm going to use this Her Growing Hands oil just to moisturize my hair and just seal it before I actually put the twists in. I love this oil. I will definitely put the link down below where you can grab it for yourself. I'm also using the Shea Moisture Lay Down Lacquer as my edge control on the top of my twist. And as you can see here, I am opening up the top of the crochet twist and splitting my section in half. I'm then gonna loop that twist within one of the halves of that section, as you can see here. Very simple. This is how we're gonna secure the twist to our scalp, essentially. I'm gonna then pull both of those pieces back together, and then I'm gonna use a rubber band to secure this twist together. So I'm going to essentially use the rubber band method to secure my hair, and then once that part is finished, I'll go ahead and start unraveling the twist and then re-twisting it with my hair into it. The product I'm using to moisturize and seal my hair is the Braid Up Conditioning Gel from Shea Moisture. This is a very lightweight gel. I like it because it doesn't create a lot of buildup or anything like that, and it has really good ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that as much as I need to make sure that my hair is neatly placed into the twist. I add a little bit more of the lacquer on my ends, just for those parts that want to stick out a little bit. This lacquer is really lightweight as well, so if you feel like you need to add more or less, you can do that. And then I'm just going to repeat the process. Again, looping the twist within that section, securing the section with a rubber band, and then unraveling the twist, and then re-twisting my own hair within that twist. And as I mentioned before, making sure when you unravel your twist that you do it very gently so that you don't make the hair frizz up too much. And so that will help your ends look really nice and neat by the time you get to the end of the twist itself. And now I'm just going to show you again that process of unraveling the hair, securing it, adding some more product, and then retwisting my own hair within that twist. Very, very easy. I also find if you pre-section your hair, this process is a lot easier as well. So definitely do that as you're completing this style. And yeah, I will just let the rest of this tutorial play out. Again, it's very simple. I'm just repeating that process over and over again all over my head. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for watching. Let me know down below if you have any other protective styles that you want me to do tutorials on. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.